So we've got n squared plus 8 equals 80. The first thing I notice is I have no plain old n, but I do have an n squared. So what that means is I'm going to try to solve using square root. So I'm going to solve using the square root. So I need to get my squared term by itself. That means I need to move this plus 8 to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. So I got n squared equals 72. Okay, now that the n squared term is by itself, I can go ahead and take the square root of both sides. The whole reason I do that is to get squared gone. So those cancel out. So I got n equals, and I've got square root of 72. Now I need to go ahead and simplify my square root of 72. So I'm going to look at my perfect square list and see where 72 falls. 72 is between square root of 81, which is plus or minus 9, and square root of 64, which is plus or minus 8. So first number I'm going to try is 64. So 72 divided by 64. Okay, that gives me a decimal. So I know it doesn't work, so I'm going to cross it out. Now I'm going to try the next number down, which is the square root of 49, which is plus or minus 7. So 72 divided by 49. Okay, that's going to give me a decimal as well. So that one's out. Next one is square root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. So I'm going to do 72 divided by 36. Oh, that gives me a whole number. It's 2. So I'm going to rewrite the square root of 72 as square root of 36 times the square root of 2. And the square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. Square root of 2 doesn't have one. So it's n equals plus or minus the square root of 2.